Dear students, under the topic vector differentiation, here we have result 11. If A is a constant vector and R vector is equal to xi vector plus yj vector plus zk vector, then show that gradient of, nebula dot A vector dot R vector multiplied with R vector is equal to 4A vector dot product with R vector. So we have to prove this result now. Now it's given that A vector is a constant vector. So we can take the A vector as, so let A vector be equal to, since it is a constant vector, we can take it as A1I vector plus A2J vector plus A3K vector. Now in order to prove this, we will consider the left hand side. So in order to find the left hand side, first we will evaluate what is A vector dot R vector. So A vector dot product with R vector will be equal to, what is A vector? It is A1I vector plus A2J vector plus A3K vector dot product with R vector. What is R vector? It is given as xi vector plus yj vector plus zk vector. So xi vector plus yj vector plus zk vector. Now the dot product we have to take with components I with I, j with j and k with k. Since I with j and k becomes 0, j with I and k becomes 0 and k with I and j becomes 0. So it will be a1 multiplied with x and I dot I is 1 plus a2y, j dot j is also 1 plus a3z. So this is A vector dot R vector. So after finding A vector dot R vector, we shall substitute this over here. So this is what we have to find. So nebula dot A vector dot R vector is A1x plus A2y plus A3z multiplied with R vector. Now, in vector calculus, we know that nebula dot phi A vector is equal to nebula phi dot A vector plus phi multiplied with nebula dot A vector. So this we are going to apply here, where this a1x plus a2y plus a3z will be considered as phi and r vector is taken as a vector. So when we apply this formula, we get this to be equal to, that is nebula dot a1x plus a2y plus a3z multiplied with r vector. So that will be equal to. So now we shall apply that over here. So it will be, first we have to write nebula phi. Nebula, what is phi? It is a1x plus a2y plus a3z dot product with a vector. Here a vector is r vector plus phi multiplied with, so phi is a1x plus a2y plus a3z. This multiplied with nebula dot r vector. So further this will be equal to, so now we know that gradient of the scalar point function is given by, that is I vector multiplied with dou by dou x of ith component, that is the first one, that is a1x plus j vector multiplied with dou by dou y of a2y plus k vector multiplied with dou by dou z of a3z. Now this whole has to be taken dot product with r vector plus a1x plus a2y plus a3z. And we know that nebula dot r vector is 3. So the value of nebula dot r vector is 3. So we can substitute that. So further this will be equal to, what is dou by dou x of a1x? This is partial differentiation of a1x with respect to x. Differentiation of x is 1. So a1 is a constant. So we will get a1. So a1 I vector In a similar manner, we will be getting this as A2j vector plus this will be A3k vector. Dot product with r vector plus this 3 we will write in the front, and here we will be having a1x plus a2y plus a3z. So now if you see, what is this? This is the constant vector that we have taken. So it is the a vector. So a vector dot r vector plus 3 multiplied with, what about this a1x plus a2y plus a3z? It is here a1x plus a2y plus a3z is a vector dot r vector. So we can replace it by a vector dot r vector. Now a vector dot r vector plus 3 times of a vector dot r vector will give us 4 times of a vector dot r vector. So this is the right hand side that we require. If you see, we have proved the required result. So hope you have understood this derivation of the result 11. In a similar manner, we have result 12 and 13 over here. This result can be taken as homework and it can be completed. So we have two results here. This is result 12 and here result 13. So in our next video lecture, we will learn to derive result 14 and 15, which are very significant in the examination point of view. So kindly follow the next lecture. Thank you.